A rich boy had everything: money, cars, and luxury. But one poor tea seller changed his life forever. This emotional English story will teach you the real meaning of happiness and kindness. Watch till the end, because the ending will touch your heart. A rich boy named Adam lived in a big city. He had expensive clothes, a luxury car, and many friends. But he was never happy. He always complained about his life. One rainy evening, Adam's car stopped working near a small village. He became angry and started shouting. Nearby, an old tea seller quietly watched him. The old man smiled and said, "Son, sit here until the rain stops." Adam sat beside the small tea stall. The old man gave him a cup of hot tea for free. Adam asked, "Why are you smiling all the time? Your shop is tiny and you are poor." The old man gently replied, "Because I learned something important in life." Adam asked, "What?" The tea seller looked at the rain and said, "Some people have money but no peace. Some people have little but they sleep happily every night." Those words touched Adam's heart deeply. For the first time in his life, he stayed silent. The old man continued, "Happiness does not come from expensive things. It comes from gratitude, kindness, and peace inside your heart." That night changed Adam forever. After returning home, he started helping poor people, spending time with his parents, and respecting small things in life. Months later, Adam returned to the same village to thank the tea seller, but the small tea stall was empty. A nearby man said, "The old tea seller passed away last month." Adam's eyes filled with tears. On the broken wall of the tea stall, one sentence was written: "Live simply, be kind, stay thankful." Adam smiled sadly and whispered, "Thank you for changing my life." Moral of the story: true happiness comes from kindness, peace, and gratitude, not from money alone. So remember, money can buy comfort, but it cannot buy true happiness. A peaceful heart and kindness are the real treasures of life. If this story touched your heart, then like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Rabi for more emotional English stories.